Welcome to my channel, Astral here. In the stock market today, we chose the 1045 call because Tesla was on the low. We bought in at 10 times, 10 of them for a total of 400 each. It was $4,027 total. We sold them at various prices from 6 to 1100. I was scaling out, right? 6, 8, 11. The highest it hit was like 1145, but we sold them. I wish I sold the 5 times, but I top ticked it on that candle. But I wish I held and sold it at 8 or 11. I would have made a little more. Anyway, we made total profit 3,833. Right there is the daily profit on the right. It says only that much because I didn't sell the last contract. I was still holding it. I ended up selling it, and we got out, and we got 3,833. Let's go.